In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Delay by Zapier, a handy tool that helps you automate actions with added delays. Whether you're managing workflows or timing your tasks just right, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. To start, you'll need to head over to the Zapier website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zapier login page. Here you'll have a couple of options to sign in, but for convenience and simplicity, we'll choose to continue with Google. It's a straightforward process. Simply click on the Continue with Google option, and a new window will prompt you to select your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to pick the correct one associated with your Zapier setup. Once you've selected your account, click on Continue. This will direct you to your Zapier dashboard, the home base where you can manage all your automation projects, known as Zaps. Now that you're in, it's time to select the Zap or project you want to work on. Simply browse through your projects and click on the one you'd like to add a delay to. In the Zap editor, you'll see your trigger, which is the event that starts your Zap, and the actions it performs. To add a delay, we need to find the right spot between the trigger and the action. Look for the plus button positioned there, and go ahead and click it. This is where you can add steps to your Zap. Select Delay from the list of available options. This feature allows you to specify a delay before your Zap carries out an action. Perfect for scenarios where timing is crucial, like sending reminder emails or spacing out tasks that might overload a resource if executed simultaneously. Now click on Choose an Event. This step is crucial as it determines what kind of delay we'll be using. Click on Delay For, which lets you specify exactly how long the delay should be before proceeding to the next action. With that selected, click on Continue to move forward. Next, you'll see a configuration option for the delay. Here you can specify the duration of your delay, anything from minutes to hours or even days, depending on what your workflow requires. Once you've configured the delay, click on Continue again to save your choices. Finally, it's time to test the setup. Click on Configure, where you'll complete the queue title and set the exact time delay needed for your task. After setting this up, don't forget to test it to ensure everything is working as expected. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on leveraging Delay by Zapier to optimize your workflow's timing. Be sure to run a few tests to make sure everything operates smoothly, and feel free to adjust as necessary. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!